Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
It's a quiet night across North Alabama, starting our holiday weekend with really nice weather. Although it's not quite as dry as it could be otherwise, we're still waiting for that drier air to filter in out of the north behind that cold front that moved through earlier today. Its temperatures range anywhere from 70 degrees in Scottsboro to 77 in Huntsville, somewhere in between for both Decatur and Florence, 73 in Florence, 74 in Decatur. The Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network shows that each one of our 3 radars are giving us a nice quiet picture, and that will continue to be the case through tonight, through tomorrow, through the 4th of July on Sunday. I say take the opportunity, give your AC a break, open the windows, enjoy the mild air that we've got in place tonight. 65 degrees by 3 a.m. We're cooling all the way to the lower 60s by the time you head out the door tomorrow morning. Watch future radar through the rest of tonight. Any lingering cloud cover is going to be moving out. And this is what we've got by 6 a.m. Temperatures hovering right around the 60-degree mark. Through the rest of the day, we warm up pretty quickly. We warm up nicely, but it's not exactly hot. We'll be in the lower 80s for your highs tomorrow. 81 degrees by 3 o'clock in Huntsville. Now through the evening, 6:30, we're in the upper 70s and lower 80s still. And then continuing through the evening all the way into early Sunday morning, starting the 4th with temperatures that are almost cool enough for jackets. Now, of course, it's personal preference, and of course, we're warming up quickly on Sunday, so you won't need them for long, but this is abnormally cool, close to record values. And as we go through the rest of the day, all the way to noon, lower 80s. Your highs on the 4th will be in the upper 80s. And by the time we get ready for fireworks, 9, 10 o'clock, we're looking at the low to mid 70s. So really comfortable, no impact when it comes to weather, any thunderstorms in the vicinity to delay firework displays. Pool forecast for tomorrow. Also, you couldn't ask for much better weather. It's sunny, it's warm, it's not stormy. And something else I should point out too, we've been talking about that UV index. A lot of us have outdoor plants, whether you're at the pool, at the lake, just out by the grill. 15 minutes is all it's going to take for that sunburn to develop if you are not wearing sunscreen, so it's absolutely necessary. Here's your fireworks forecast. 9 o'clock on Sunday, temperature around 73 degrees, so it is mild, it is mostly clear. And with that dry air in place and that quiet weather pattern, expect on Monday morning to wake up to a lot of that haze lingering along the horizon from all of the fireworks displays. Here's an update on Hurricane Elsa. This is what I was mentioning to you earlier. I'm tracking the latest here from the National Hurricane Center. It's weakened just a little bit. Maximum sustained wind down to 80 miles per hour, but it's still a Category 1 storm, and it's still moving very quickly toward the west-northwest at 29 miles per hour. So here's the most recent track from the National Hurricane Center. It hasn't changed very much. Some of the data sources that I'm seeing, though, are taking the track a little bit farther toward the west. But for the time being, the official forecast track from the National Hurricane Center hasn't varied much. We expect it to still be a Category 1 storm when it tracks over Cuba, weakening to a tropical storm thanks to some wind shear once it moves into the Gulf of Mexico. And the track shows right now the center of that cone of uncertainty making a landfall somewhere very close to Tampa with maximum sustained wind there at 60 miles per hour. That's the forecast for Tuesday night. And then it makes that sharp turn toward the north and eventually northeast. Gets pretty close to North Alabama, at least with the forecast cone here. But because we're on the northwest side of this storm, we're expecting minimal impact in North Alabama. 7-day forecast. Look at all the sunshine in the short term, chance for storms here in the long term. We got another cold front heading our way. It's a 30% chance for showers and storms on Wednesday. Goes up to a 40% shot for Thursday and Friday.